Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have another Valentine's Day palette to share with you guys today. This comes to us from Oden's. It is a collaboration with Morgan Turner, and this is the Love Language palette. This palette comes with not just the eyeshadow palette, but you're also going to be getting 3 lip glosses, and you're also going to be getting, actually no, you're getting 4 lip glosses, and you're getting 1 lip stain. I'm already wearing the lip stain right now. I have not applied a gloss on top of it. I don't think I'll get to swatch out all of the, or at least lip swatch all of the glosses, but I'll apply a lip gloss over this lip stain in a little bit. Let's take a closer look inside this Love Language palette with Morgan Turner. I think it was about time she got a collab. What do you guys think? So this is what the palette looks like. Let's see. Camera, are we going to focus today or not? There we go. That's what the palette looks like. Very Valentine's Day color scheme, but I'm loving the purples in there. I'm loving that we're getting a brown. We're getting some pink and gold and just everything. I think I'm gonna have to do a Valentine's Day palette wrap-up ranking video, maybe over the weekend. Hopefully I'll have time to do that, but this color story looks beautiful. This entire collection is going to drop, of course, on Valentine's Day, Friday, February the 14th at 9 a.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code with Oden's Eye, and it is Steff. That saves you 10% off, but I don't think it's going to work on this particular collection. I don't know that they work on collab items, but of course you can use my affiliate code for other non-collab items over on Oden's Eye that catches your eye, and I cannot wait to create 2 looks with this palette. Normally I do 3 looks with Oden's Eye palettes, but I'm very pressed for time, so today you're going to be getting 2 looks, and I'm so excited and so happy for Morgan Turner. Congratulations to both Oden's Eye and Morgan Turner on this gorgeous palette. If it is your first time here on my channel, welcome to all of you. My name is Steph. Love trying out new makeup. I have a soft spot in my heart for indie makeup. If you love indie makeup as much as I do, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are anxious to see some looks with this palette, I know you've seen some already, give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I will be wearing. I'm in the middle of a 2-day wear test with the new Makeup Forever Super Boost Skin Tint, so you guys will see this skin tint video go up after you see this video go up, so be on the lookout for that in case you're interested. But if you guys shop through any of my links and codes, I thank you guys so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started with look number 1. If you guys want to see the Love Language palette, the collab with Morgan Turner and Oden's Eye in action, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Sigma eyeshadow primer. I forgot there for a minute which primer I used, but the Sigma eyeshadow primer. And today I am wearing black and white. I'm wearing a black and white polka dot dress to work with some red shoes and a red coat because we got a cold front come in overnight. So, where do I want to start? I mean, that pink up here is calling my name. I think I'm going to start with this shade right here first, and then I will likely work down into this, and then maybe we can do a combination of these 2 shimmers. We'll see. But let's start first with this shade. This shade is called Amore, and I'm taking the shade Amore on an Alter Ego 205 brush. I'm a little surprised Alter Ego didn't release something for Valentine's Day. That means they have something else in the works really soon, I hope. This is a very vibrant pink. I love it. Okay, I think this shade went on so well. I'm loving it, loving it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade down here. This one is called Giggle. Actually, you know what? I think I'm changing my mind. I think this might be a better call to use. This one is called Date Night. I think that will show up better against the pink. And I'm going to take that on a Rephr 14 mini. And I think I'll do a little halo eye with this one. So just focus it on the outer corner and inner corner. This is a really good purple, and it's layering over the pink really well. All right, now I'm going to lay down a little bit of my Gourmand Girls shimmer primer. I'm just going to use my finger to do it since it's just going to be a really small amount right here in the center. And I'm going to pick up that hot pink shade. That hot pink shade is called, oh, how appropriate, Valentine. That's what it looks like. Super cute. Ooh, super fun. Now I'm just going to touch up the edges of the dark purple matte. Then I'm also going to touch up the light pink, the first shade that we went in with. Loving the way this is turning out. Look at that sparkle. Oh, it's so good. So, so good. You know, I'm thinking, why don't we do a shimmer? Why don't we do maybe this for the lower lash line? That could be interesting. Let's try this. I think I'll just spray my brush because that kind of looks like it's a satin, and so I don't think I will get much fallout if I just spray the brush. The shade that I'm going to go in with is called Treat, and I'm going to take it on a damp Rephr 03. I'm going to take it about halfway. I clean that brush off, and I think I'm going to go in with this matte shade for the inner corner. This one is called Service? I think that's what it's called. Let's see. Can't really see. The names are like in a silver color. Oh yeah, that's perfect. We can even put that on the brow bone. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Yeah, I'm going to throw that on the brow bone up here. And I think this look is just about done. Let me pop off camera to take care of finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1, and I'm also going to apply one of the lip glosses. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. The lip gloss I went in with is in the shade Bezel. Love it. And there's only one liquid lipstick in this collection. For the lower waterline, I went in with this Makeup Revolution eyeliner. This one is in the shade Purple. How fitting. I'm using Essence Lash Princess Mascara, the one in the green tube, and a little bit of the Win Beauty Black Liquid Liner for the top lash line. Loving this look so, so much. Kind of like a quintessential Valentine's Day look, but I just love purple and pink together. I think that is something, a color combination that you can wear any time of year. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for look number 2, I'm going to try to do something perhaps a little more neutral, just because I have to wear one of these looks. I have to pick one look and wear it to work today. And since I'm wearing black, white, and red, I was kind of hoping maybe there would be a red shimmer in here. I'm thinking I might have to go with either a gold or maybe even a shade like this, kind of like a silvery shade. Ooh, this light pale gold looks really good for an inner corner highlight. So I think I'm going to start right here with the shade. This one is called Affirmation. And I'm taking Affirmation on a Rephr 15 mini. Now with that same brush, I'm going to dip into this darker shade called Quality Time. We'll focus that right out here. Okay, I think that looks good. I think we got a good blend. Let me lay down some of the Gourmand Girls shimmer primer, and then we're going to start playing with maybe one or two of these shimmers. Okay, so I think I'll do a little bit of this shade and then this gold shade. So this shade right here, this one is called Cuddles, and the gold shade is called 829. And I'm taking this on a Morphe M709 brush. That looks so, so pretty. Very soft, kind of neutral still. I love it. I'm going to touch up the dark brown that's on the corner. All right, now for the lower lash line, think I'm going to go back in with the first shade I used. And I'm using a Rephr 03 to apply. I'm going to take that all the way through. And then I want to go in with that really soft pale gold shimmer shadow for the inner corner highlight. And the shade I'm using is called Touch on a damp Rephr 03. And with that, guys, I think we have a completed look. So I'm going to pop off camera, take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number 2, a little more neutral and then a little more fun on the right. I use the same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I use an Essence eyeliner. This one right here, it is my flesh tone color, and this one is in the shade Silky Nude. I love it, and I think this is the one I'm gonna have to wear to work today. But let me go finish getting myself ready for work, and then I'll come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this beautiful collection. I'm already telling you, it's a beautiful collection. The Love Language collection, the collab between Morgan Turner and Oden's Eye. Okay, guys, so having used a good amount of shades in this Love Language palette from Oden's Eye and Morgan Turner, cover art obviously is very beautiful, but what's inside is even more special. I think it's the quintessential Valentine's Day palette. I think it's a beautiful color story, and as you can see from my 2 looks, you're able to create something a little more neutral and something a little more party over here on the right. Whatever you want to create, I know it's going to be beautiful. This is, I think, a more shimmer heavy palette. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9 shimmers, and the rest are going to be matte shadows. I think it's beautiful. It retails for $43.90. The lip glosses, you're going to be getting 4 of them and 1 liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. I want to say these are like 13 and change, let's say just $14 each. And then if you get the bundle, which I don't know how much the bundle is going to cost, but I know in my, because I got this in PR, so thank you Oden's Eye and Morgan Turner for sending this my way. But they included this little, I don't know what this is. Is this, I hate to say, but is this like a microfiber cleaning cloth? I doubt that's what it is, but maybe it's something that you can put like here when you're doing your makeup and you don't want to get your top dirty. Or maybe it's something that you can use just for some type of makeup application, but it's really cute and it's something that's included in the bundle. I don't know how much the bundle is going to be. Again, I do have an affiliate code with Oden's Eye, and it is Steff, and that saves you 10% off of your order. However, I don't know that affiliate codes are going to apply since this is a collab palette. Overall, I think it is beautiful. Oden's Eye always does a great job with their collections, and I'm glad to see that they are once again collaborating with another content creator, one of y'all's favorite content creators. So congratulations to both parties. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you party over here, team 1? Are you a little more neutral over here, team 2? Are you going to be picking this collection up? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.